This is why you need to start manifesting today. Imagine living your dream life. Yep, it's that powerful. First, get clear on what you want. Write it down, make it specific, and see it in your mind like it's already real. Feel it, believe it, smell it, taste it. Next, cultivate a positive mindset. Believe in yourself. Kick self-doubt to the curb and practice gratitude daily. Use affirmations that align with your goals and repeat them like your favorite song. Then, take inspired action. Break your goals into small, manageable steps. Trust your intuition and act when you feel that spark. Stay open and patient. Release attachment to the outcome and trust the process. The universe works in mysterious ways, so be open to surprises. Align with your desires by living as if you already have what you want. Surround yourself with positivity and celebrate those small wins. Manifestation is all about the synergy of intention, belief, and action. You've got the power to create your reality. Start manifesting now and watch the magic unfold.